Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ducky Boo and I am back with another unboxing video. As you can tell by the title, today I will be unboxing my new camera, which I got. Here it is from Personal Care Tech. It's on the screen. You know, a girl brain is crazy. But make sure you go check them out. Them sell a ring light. Or them have a ring light for $3,500 on sale right now. An 8-inch ring light. Them have other gadgets. Them have the gym ball or whatever that spins around and you can make action videos. They sell action cameras and much more. So make sure you go check them out. Tell them say the Kibu said no. Make me feel like somebody was saying no over there, right? Tell them say the Kibu said no. Yes, and the best part of it, I got a discount because I'm born in September. I said all September born people get a discount. Ah! Yeah. So see it here, guys. Alright, right now I'm at work. Lunchtime. Yeah. And I'm gonna put the phone on something. I can't put it on. I can't recipe on this. I'm wanting to see. Yeah. Alright guys, so still the package here. What is this? Sorry, I just drink some ginger beer. Yeah. Outside. Oh, and make sure you go check out Stacerenae, the right behind me. Eat some curry chicken and rice. Yeah. Check out our channel. She is upcoming YouTuber. I used to start unbox her gadgets. I'm going to tell her the right place to go. Yeah. Hi. Yes. Stacerenae. Alright. I want to do an unboxing of her. I'm not even telling her business. When she goes to see. No, exactly. Yeah. I chat too much. Come on! At least I give them something to look forward to. Yeah. I'm so excited to unbox it. No, I saw it. Oh, so this. A joke. The first thing. Alright, so this is the camera packaging. Yes, this is the thing that it should hold in. This is a bag, camera bag or whatever. Oh, Jesus. So it's a Nikon. Sorry, it's a Nikon J1 camera. Heavy-ish. This is, what is this? Is this the charging something? This is the cover for the lens. Oh, it has no sort of ornament fittings. That is CD. Tell me what to do. Yeah, there's a manual and a CD in it. So I guess I have to read the manual to find out. Yeah. So here it is. Up here's phone. Yes. I'm putting on the camera. I'm so sorry. So, this is yummy though, like 32 and 3 years later. I'm really packaging. Oh my god.
No, it's not EPL.
I'm going to eat all my rice.
Yeah, eat up my rice.
Stealing my food.
She's not going to eat it all.
So this is the camera. Oh my god, it's so neat. God, don't let me drop it, God. I guess this cover. Oh no. Is that a click? We see him clicking. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, the on button is right there. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. Yes. Take a picture. Wait, hold on. I don't know what to do. So she's gonna take a picture.
No memory card.
No memory card? Yes, I forgot about one memory card, I guess.
You know what? Are you a teenager, man?
Yeah.
I'm a teenager. For over 10 years.
What can I do?
Rotate the zoom ring to
Oh.
extend the camera. Where's zoom ring, Nick?
Oh,
Oh! That's everything button! It's a no memory card. Can I take a picture?
Come. Well, I guess you need a memory card to take the picture. Look at it. What are you doing? My cameraman. Exactly.
I am doing what I see. What do you do?
Let me see. Wait, so
Instead of putting them on fly, I can't.
them are okay. Wow, the image is not bad. Look at it. It's kind of close.
I can't wait to see myself.
But it needs a memory card. So I'm gonna get a memory card before I start using it. Over here I can attach it to what's something called? Also, it has this
camera stand
thing.
here?
Yeah, stand, yeah. It has this, what do you call about here? Guys, you know I'm not really good at explaining these things, especially electronics, which I'm not aware of. I have watched YouTube videos about this camera, and basically they say it's a very nice camera. It takes good images, takes good shots and videos. Also it doesn't have a port to like use external microphone and so forth. Yeah, and it has a lot of other features which, you know, a girl wouldn't know about. Oh man, my food is in the video. But this is it, guys. I'm just showing you that about a camera. So I'm gonna be shooting on this camera, and I'm gonna be shooting on, if I get a new phone, I'll be shooting on it. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. As I said, it needs a memory card. So I'm gonna get a memory card. I'm gonna shoot some videos and place it at the end of this video. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video, and by the time I'm gonna look up on this camera and get further details and, you know, feel it out for myself to see what it's about. So I thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. I need to know how to put on this string thing. Oh God. See? Yeah, me just so alright guys, so I am recording on the camera. This is how it looks. Let's see if you can. It's kinda dark with the ugly face.
Me the camera.
So we're not even see her.
I am not fully.
When you go in the light though, you can see.
Oh, you
See? What? I have to see what? Ducky.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can see me now. Oh, wait, let's. Oh, I zoomed. The camera just stopped on me. What the hell? As I was saying, if you want a video in the daytime, all you gotta do is let me know. Let me show you in my room how brighter it is, because like my house is literally dark. It is literally dark. So seeing me on the camera in the house, it's like you're not seeing me at all, but in my room it's kind of bright. Yeah, so this is the Nikon J1. I recommend the camera, and once you have a ring light and once you have a nice lighting, it good, because it good outside. You see the pictures that I took with the cats. Yeah, let me know what you think about this camera. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.